So I dried the corn, I painted a few more kernels, I dried the corn again, and it's almost dry now. The last things I did were purple and they're just about dry. If you tip your head to the side and it's still shiny, that means it's still wet. But what I realized is that this yellow and white that I mixed together is kind of perfect for the end of the corn cob. So I made kind of this rounded line here, almost like a crescent moon, just barely to show that it's round. And now I'm doing some straight lines coming out from it. I'm going over it twice so it's nice and dark, and then it's kind of just jaggedy out here at the end, I think. And then I'm using that same color and kind of going around and filling in little gaps kind of in the outline and in between the kernels. And then these ones that are just white are also gonna get this same color, but I need to wait for the purple to be dry before I can fill in. And it's just kind of like, almost like a light tan. I'm gonna water it down just a little. I think I can probably do it right here. And I left some highlight marks on some of them, but not on all of them, and that's kind of because I forgot on some of them, but also I'm not sure that the shape of the corn kernels are the same for all of them to have them all have a highlight mark or a place where the light's bouncing off. So I'm just kind of did it randomly. I can fill in right here. I can do this one. And up here. Mine's a little bit thin, so I'm just dabbing a little more color on in places where it's not showing very much. Don't want it to be very bright, but I do want it to look different than just the white of the paper. And now I'm gonna water that color down just a little bit and fill in all this white back here. The very watered down. I want it to still show as the stem lines, but I'm just painting in between with a really light color, really light wash of it. And now maybe just the tiniest bit of this blue. Oh, there's a little mix right here. It's kind of a grayish then. That yellow mixed with this gray blue. Just put a little bit in. Down here to make it look just a little darker. I don't know. Okay, I'm stopping. that's Indian corn. Thanks for hanging in for 2 sessions of that one.